stop, go. Keep it. Okay, good lap, go. Right, right. Right. Left turn, medium left. The course is going to look a little different to us right now because we are off so long. More left. Right turn. Right. Straighten it out. Right left. Okay. Tranny is on. Oh, right. Copy, rate 13. Slightly left. Right left. There we go. Alright, be patient up there. We're not going to be able to pass them for a little bit anyways. He's giving us room. Great. Thank you very much. Slow it down. Right. Left. Okay. Right. Yep, slow it down. We got plenty of... Left. Okay, he's moving. That way. Left. Okay, go left. Left. Right, straight. Straight. Slightly left. Patient. I can't see any other lines right now. I'm trying. There's a line to our right if we can, but if the dust is going that way. Rate 13, we copy. Rate 13, we copy. Okay, we're at it. Let it off the start finish. We're at that pit. Repeat that. Slightly right. Straight. Right turn. Is that right turn? Copy, we're at the pit. More right. Straight up. Slightly right. Right. More right. Okay, maybe straight, a block. Easy, I can't see the course at all. We don't want to get stuck here. Right. Straight, a little bit left. We're on it. Stay to the left of them.